We were hired to clean 2 sofas, and we did that today in the morning in Dr. Phillips. This family really enjoys to be in the living room with the wife, some company that they have, and their unconditional lover, that is the dog, Chloe. So Chloe is part of the family, and she's always next to the owner in that sofa. So the sofa has some stains. 2 years old is the sofa, and it was raining today. A lot of rain, so we couldn't pull out our truck mount, and we didn't use the sapphire upholstery tool. Usually, we use a Kirby vacuum and the attachment to create the foam. I have another videos on YouTube and another platform showing you how the Kirby does the job to create the foam and the layer of the foam. But today, I really want to test another system that is the same VLM, very low moisture, using foam cleaner. And I was using the sea sponge. I put the product in the bucket, I put my sponge inside the bucket, and wring really good the sponge, and open and close the sponge so the sponge have some holes, and it will bring some air and create the foam. In a circular motions, I spread the foam into the sofa or into the fabric. Another way to put the foam into the sofa is just with your hand, remove the top foam and put it with your hand. In circular motions, you spread the foam, and we use a machine that is a cyclone orbital polisher, 2 great really fine brushes to agitate the fabric. Why using foam? Because it's more efficient, low moisture, not too much water, because if we spread a lot of product onto the sofa, the cushion is gonna be soaking wet. This family wants to enjoy the rest of the afternoon. And then we change the brush and put in some wool pads, and that will dry and extract the soil. Then Sonia used a white towel under the scrubber, and I'm gonna show you how it came. We used like 3-4 towels in 2 sofas to remove and extract all the soil. It came really good. Check it out. Thank you for watching. anyhousecleaning.com.